Senapati District Drivers Welfare Union, Surface Transport Hills Area Drivers Welfare Union under the aegis of All Manipur Road Transport Drivers and Motor Workers Union distributed food items and other necessities to stranded truck drivers along Imphal-Dimapur National Highway No. 2. Secretary of Senapati District Drivers Welfare Union, Lolo, Vice President of Surface Transport Hills Area Drivers Welfare Union, Athiko Ranbir distributed the relief items to stranded drivers. Truck drivers along with 275 loaded trucks have been stranded for over 10 days at National Highway due to landslide at Lalmati area in Nagaland. They have been undergoing various inconveniences including lack of ration and necessary amenities. Meanwhile, unions have appealed to Manipur government to apprise Nagaland government to expedite the repairing process along landslide-hit areas of National Highway No. 2. General Secretary of All Manipur Road Transport Drivers and Motor Workers Union have also urged drivers to contact its office in Tadubi to get help.